Hello guys, welcome to Kap Industries. This is the installation video for a Nissan Patrol GQ fire extinguisher bracket made by Kap Industries. The bracket is this, and it is a mirrored version, so it's a left hand side and a right hand side, which you can purchase at the website. The bracket has a series of slots and also hardware that you can then mount a fire extinguisher to. In the video today, I'm installing this one, which is a twin latch one that we sell on the website. The installation procedure is very easy. All you do is remove the two front seat bolts of the car, place the bracket in, attach the cage of the extinguisher to the bracket, and then reinstall it, two front seat bolts. Let's go do it. The tools you require to install it is a 14mm socket and ratchet, or a 14mm spanner, and a couple of 8mm spanners that you can use for the M5 nuts and bolts. Start by simply using your 14mm socket to remove the two front seat bolts. Before installing the bracket, just install the cage onto the bracket first. On this one, I'm installing it as far that way as I can, and then just install the M5 nuts and bolts. Once that extinguisher cage is bolted to the Kap Industries bracket, then just reinstall it and put the factory seat bolts back in. Finger tight first, and then go at them with the spanner. Then once it's all bolted in, install the extinguisher into the cage and clip it up. Here it is installed on the left hand side of this car as well. As you can see, it looks neat and is very, very sturdy for holding your fire extinguisher. Some people use these brackets to install mag lights or other torches as well.